Hello Vivekians, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am your Rekha ma'am and welcome you all in School from Home program. This is your English class and today's our lesson objective is to learn about naming words. This is your English course book and come on page number 16. Students, write down today's date. Now come to the point, naming words. Everything around us has a name. We give names to people, places, animals and things. These are called naming words. It means कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे आसपास है उसका कोई ना कोई नेम होता है. जैसे कोई भी पर्सन हो, प्लेस हो, थिंग हो या एनिमल हो, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? यस, उसे हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. नाउ हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स. See here, first picture is of a boy. Second picture is of a girl. The next picture is of a man. And the last picture is of a woman. So students, all these are the name of person. Now next, in this, the first picture is of school and the second picture is of hospital. The third picture is of park. All these are the name of places. Now come on the next. Tell me, the first picture is of? Yes, the first picture is of dog. The second picture is of cat. The third picture is of fish. All these are the name of animals. Now come on the next picture. Yes, the first picture is of table. The second picture is of books. And the last picture is of chair. All these are the name of? Yes, all these are the name of things. So students, as I told you, the name of a person, place, thing and animal, these are naming words. Now, let me clear it with one more example. Students, see here. Here are 4 columns. First column is of people. Second is of animals. Third is of places. And the fourth is of things. Now, look at the picture. Students, tell me, what is this? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is a ball and it is a thing. So it will come under things column. Now I am going to show second picture. Tell me, what is this? Yes, yes. Yes, this is a goat. It is an animal. It will come under animals column. Now look at the next picture. Tell me, whose picture is this? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is our school. It is a place. So it will come under places column. Now I'm showing you more picture. Yes. Whose picture is this? Tell me. Yes. This is a girl and it is a person. So it will come under people column. So students, everything around us has a name and these are called naming words. Hope you understood the naming words. Now students, come on page number 16. Let's try 7. Look at the pictures and circle the pictures of people who live with you. It means जो people आपके साथ रहते हैं, you will circle them. Like the first picture is of grandfather. Students, like my grandfather lives with me. So I'm going to circle the picture of grandfather. The next picture is of grandmother. My grandmother also lives with me. So I'm going to circle the picture of grandmother also. So students, like this you have to complete Let's Try 7. After this, now come on page number 17. Let's try 8. We also give names to places. Circle the names of places. One has been done for you. This means आपको places के names को circle करना है. Students, look at the first picture. Yes, tell me whose picture is this? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is a fish and it is an animal. Students, is it a place? No, it is not a place. Now move to second picture. Tell me whose picture is this? Yes, very good. This is an apple and it is a thing. It is also not a place. Now move to the third picture. This is a palace. Yes, this is a palace and it is a name of place. So I can circle the palace. So in the same way you have to complete Let's Try 8. Now turn to the page number 18. Let's try 9. We also give names to things. Read the names of things given below and color them. So students, it means you have to read the names of things and color them. Students, I hope you have understood the concept. Today we have learned about naming words. It's my humble request to the parents to help their kid in completing Let's Try 7, 8 and 9. That's all for the day. Please read the given instructions. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.